Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Nazrul Islam, in charge of English version under Shamsul Haqqani School and College. Welcome you all in today's online session. Today we are going to learn subject verb agreement. Let's start. Subject verb agreement. First of all, we want to focus why verb is fixed as regarding singular and plural. Student, if he and they, first of all we should know what is singular verb and what is plural verb. The verb which is fixed according to the subject he, that is singular verb, and the verb which is fixed according to the subject they is called plural verb. I repeat, the verb which is fixed as per subject he is called singular verb, and the verb which is fixed as per subject they is plural verb. As for example, he goes to school, student, and they go to school. Here this is singular verb and this is plural verb. So today we are going to learn what is singular verb and plural verb. In our preparation exam, first semester preparation exam, I have a experience. Some of you have done mistake on this regard. So today we revise this chapter. So first rules, student, first rule, just revise. If there are two titles or adjective connected with and both the titles there is a noun, and this is called and both the side if there are article a and the, this subject is considered plural verb. And if article only first side article sits but second side there is no article, that is called singular verb. As for example, student, a blue and a white shirt, a blue and white shirt. Student, is needed or unneeded, which will be correct? Student, listen. If there are two here two adjective or two titles and both the side there is article a, so this subject is plural subject and verb will be plural. So is correct or are is correct? Of course are, because here are is correct. So this is the first rule. But first side article a and the, but second there is no article. What can we do? Then of course it's a singular subject, the verb will be singular, is. It's okay. As for example, the president and secretary, I repeat, the president and secretary is coming or are coming, which will be correct? The president and secretary, if I say the president and secretary, here person is one, it's a singular, is coming. But when we say the president and the secretary are coming, here both the side the, so it will be plural. Number two, student, number two, if more than two or three if many words collectively contain subject, many words collectively contain subject, but meaning idea is single, this is called singular subject and verb will be singular. I repeat, if more than one words collectively contain subject and express a single idea, that will be singular subject and verb will be singular. As for example, the number of the students the number of the students are sufficient. Student, here subject, here verb is are or is, which will be correct? The number of the student, here students is plural, but here the number of the student, how many words collectively contain subject? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 words collectively mention a subject, but this subject considered a single idea, that is number. Here student is not subject, here subject is number, so verb will be singular. So I have done a mistake, here verb will be is. As for example, student write down the quality of the mangoes. Student, here be good or is good, which will be correct? The quality of the mangoes, here subject is quality, not mangoes. It's a singular idea. This quality express single idea, so it is third person singular, the verb will be singular, so it is correct, is. Okay. Is number 3. Student, number 3. Rule number 3. Many a. Student, many a, after many a, noun will be singular and verb will be singular. I repeat, after many a, noun will be singular and verb will be singular. Many a boy is coming. Here many a, after many a, noun will be singular and verb will be singular. But if you write many a boy are, that will be incorrect. Here many is a phrase, many a means many. But if I write many boy, of course boys and are, meaning, Bangla meaning is same. Student, both the sentence, Bangla meaning is same. But here many a is a phrase, a creates problem. So here a indicates singular and verb will be singular. Okay. Number 4. Student, number 4. Number 4. On of the. On of the. Can you remember? After on of the, noun singular or plural? After on of the, noun will be singular or plural? Student, on of the, noun must be plural. After on of the, noun must be plural, but verb singular. Verb singular. Why singular? Because here subject is one. As for example, on of the boys. Student, on of the boys was present or were present, which will be correct? If I write was present, here boys is subject or on is subject. So you remember on of the, after on of the, noun will be plural and verb will be singular. Student, now or nor. Number 5, or nor. Student, listen. If or nor connected to subject, I repeat, if two subjects are connected with or nor, which will be real subject? Second on will be the real subject. As for example, he or I. Here or created I is the subject. Am happy. Here or nor. If or nor, if two subjects are connected with or nor, second on will be subject, not first on. But student remember, but if and not, I repeat, in our last previous classes, I discussed this, and not, with, together, along with. I repeat, and not, with, together, along with, as well as. If this type of words are used as connector when they are connected to subjects, when they are connected to subject, first one will be the subject. As for example, he and not they. If I write this, which will be the subject? Or he and not she. He and not she. Student, which will be the subject? First one will be the subject. So is will be, is coming. Here and not. I repeat, and not, with, together, along with, as well as. These are the used as a connector when they are used to connect two subjected. The first subject will be real subject. But student, listen, when phrase, I repeat, phrase, clause, gerund, verbal noun. I repeat, phrase, clause, gerund, verbal noun. I repeat, phrase, clause, gerund, verbal noun is used as subject, that will be always treated as singular, and verb will be singular. As regarding cook and bowl story, cook and bowl story. Is it 7? Cook and bowl story. It's an unbelievable story. It's not believable story. It's an unbelievable story. It's a phrase. Cook and bowl story is not always, cook is not accepted. Is not accepted. Student, listen. Here and is used two words. If I say Raju and Tarek, student, Raju and Tarek are coming. Why? Because here both the subject are connected with and created plural. Here people is two, Raju and Tarek is third person plural, the verb is plural. But here cook and bowl story, here both the noun, this cook and noun, blue also noun, both the noun are connected with and, but it's a phrase. The phrase is always created singular. So here verb is singular. It's not another things, it's a phrase. As for example, gardening. Gardening is my hobby. Student, here gardening is gerund. So gerund, clause, verbal noun, these are always treated as singular, third person singular, like he. Student, each is every. No. These are the used to connect both the subject and connect with and. Subject will be singular. As for example, if I give example, it will be clear to you. I repeat, is, every, no, no one, nobody. It is another rule. Nobody, is, every, no, no one, nobody, no one. These are the used as subject. It is always treated singular subject. Nobody, nobody likes a liar. Nobody likes a liar. So it's treated singular. And another rule, student, number 9, is, every, no is used both the side of subject, and though the subject are connected with and, that will be also treated singular subject. Student, listen. Is boy and is girl. Is boy and is girl. Here is, both the side is, and both the noun is connected with and this will be treated singular subject, and verb will be singular. Is boy and is girl is coming today. I repeat, is, here has, was, something like that. It will be also. Student, I repeat, I write some words: mankind, cattle, mankind, cattle. Write down. Mankind, cattle, peasantry, farmers society, poultry, people, gentry, people, gentry, elite. Student, I have written some words. After this, there is no s or es, but it is plural. I repeat, mankind, cattle, peasantry, poultry, people, gentry, elite. Gentry, gentle people, elite, the aristocratic people or society. People, poultry, peasantry, cattle, mankind. These are always treated plural. As for example, mankinds are the noblest creation of God. Mankinds are noblest creation of God. Kettles, the cattle are the kettles are grazing. Here, this, though after this noun no s or es, but it is treated plural. Number 10, student, at the opposite rule, number 10. As for example, news, politics, physics, news, politics, physics, gallows, mathematics, student, both the item there is s or es, s especially s, but it is singular. It is always treated singular. As for example, the news be bad. What will be the correct? The news be bad. Here, student, be is or was. Why? Though s or es is added with this noun, but it is the fundamental words. It's a word. It's not extra added. Okay. Physics is a subject. Gallows is a place. and mathematics is also a subject. So it is always treated singular. And student, last one is very important. If we know collective noun is always treated singular. Collective noun is always treated singular. But if the collective noun is divided, that will be plural. I repeat, collective noun is always treated singular and collective noun follows singular verb. But when collective noun is divided, that will be treated plural verb. As for example, the class is large on. Student, here the class is collective noun, so it's a undivided, so it's is. But if we write the class are divided into two sections. So here this the class, here the class, spelling is same. Here is, here are. What the cause? Here collective noun is undivided, united. So it's singular. But this collective noun is divided. As for example, jury. The jury were divided in their opinions. The jury was unanimous in its opinion. So like this. So student, at the same way, army, those there are a lot of example of collective noun. If the collective noun is single, united, is undivided, it will be treated singular subject and verb will be singular. Okay, student, today we are we have discussed a lot of rules of subject verb agreement. It is a very important. In your examination, we was a good number of students have made some mistake on this regard. So I request all of you, you repeat this, you memorize the rules and practice. And inshallah, next class we will discuss right form of verb. That will be a revision class, and inshallah after 2 classes regarding these topics, inshallah everything will be okay for you. So these are all for today. Next another class we will see you again. Thank you very much.